All right, we should do a little touch-up before we leave.
Yes,
Have you tried
please.
this? It's the sponge-on makeup. It's so good.
No.
Just do a little dab like that.
Okay.
And then I like to just press it onto spots. And you can customize it. So try to spray me with that little mist.
Water? Here.
Oh.
You're gonna be so shocked.
And then if you apply it like this, it just gives a really luminous,
Wow.
natural skin
Like
looking finish.
amazing. I love it. Okay, should we go?
I think we're good. Yeah.
You look amazing. I love it.
Amazing too.
Okay, let's go. I take it.